Dear audience, this is Advika from grade 3 Paramita High School, Karimnagar. Let me start my talk with a real, short and eye-opening story. Ravi, a software engineer in Hyderabad, wanted to go to his hometown to visit his mother and father. He booked a train ticket. His parents were excited knowing about his visit. Especially his mother was so much excited to see her son. Mother's love cannot be described. Do you agree with me? Hope everyone is with my statement. On the day of travel, Ravi had 1.5 hour time to catch the train. After waking up from the bed, he relaxed, spent some time on WhatsApp, replied some mails and spent lot of time while taking bath. He booked a cab. The cab did not move faster as there was heavy traffic. When he reached to the station, the train was moving. He missed the train because he was 3 minutes late to the railway station. In the evening, he called his father and told, "Father, I missed the train. I could not come." His father said, "Dear son, your mother waited by the window till evening and she prepared your favorite dishes." These words made Ravi very sad. He missed loving moments. He disappointed his parents. Tears started to roll down his cheeks. Who is responsible for this? Not train, not time, not cab, and not traffic. It is Ravi. Yes, Ravi's negligence is the reason. What did he neglect? He neglected the precious time. He acted as per his plan, but his action was late. Hence, I say right action at the right time is important. This is my topic today, dear all. What you do is okay, but are you doing at the right time? If you don't do right things at the right time, we miss the results, like Ravi is visiting his parents. Time is highly valuable. A question to you. Can you come back to my age? Can you enjoy the childhood now? Never. This last time cannot come back. Similarly, every moment in our life won't come back. Hence, let's respect the time. We always talk about goals and planning. Are we really doing them on time? There is a saying, enjoy the ice cream before it melts. Are we really eating the ice cream before it melts? It is not just doing the right things, but are we doing the right time is more important. For example, I have midterm examination. I didn't prepare well. I didn't write well. I may do well in second term, but I'll get the opportunity to write midterm again in my life. No, never. The last chance cannot come back. Similarly, every moment in our life won't come back. Postponement is virus. It makes us delay. Opportunities don't wait. Am I right? Ravi lost a memorable moment with his mother because he was 3 minutes late to the railway station. Every minute and every second is important. Success depends on opportunities, but timely action brings them together. Hope you all will do right things at the right moment. Thank you.